you don't have to call yourself Filipino Chinese. You can just say you're Chinese. Okay, because any sort of identification or separation, you're already identifying yourself as a product of Spain. Okay, right? Same with now. Here's the difficult part: the ones who are under the Tamil rule of migrants here, from who are ruled by the Rahas, that's more difficult. These the people like us have been so dispersed and far removed from the original cultural heritage, that we have no idea already who's who, because it's hard to identify between the Hindu bloodline and the Spanish bloodline, because they're already so interwoven at this point. Okay, but the what I got from the divine is that there are artifacts that prove that the Sanatana Dharma was the original culture of the Visayans, the Visayan region. The Luzon region is majority are Chinese, because coming from the China and Taiwan island. So, but they all came here to trade. Okay, the indigenous ones. Okay, the Muslims came from Indonesia. So that part, and Muslim trade. So basically, those are the people of these islands. When you call yourselves Filipino, that is acknowledging that you are a product of Spain. As we call ourselves living in the Philippines, we still acknowledge that we are the colony of Spain. Even though we are under the colonial control of the United States and still influenced by Europe, because our justice system is linked to Europe. What happened to Duterte, our former President Duterte, is just evidence that the linkage between foreign influence has not been severed. Okay? So just trivia. Okay? Now, when I spoke to the divine, oh wow, that was bright. Okay, it's probably the shadow casting of the clouds. Okay, all right. So when I talked to the divine, and I told them, is there any sense of what we would call ourselves here in this island? So what they told me was the name of the islands originally, not from the name of that was derived from the foreign merchants that came here. It is Hiraya. Okay, so technically we're Hirayans. The people who live here are Hirayans. So most likely that's the original name that the indigenous tribes are under before colonization. Okay? But you have to understand that Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, we're not Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Okay, those are all Spanish names. Okay? Then you have to understand that. So for the new generation, I'm educating you on the real Filipino history that they're not going to teach you in school. Okay, so those are all Spanish names. And so technically, we're all Hirayans. So this is Hiraya. This islands is Hiraya. Not from the not from any names coming from the merchants who visited here, but from the people who are originally here and who chose to stay here. And then that's pre-colonial times. So that's what really happened. Okay. So Filipinos choose to call themselves Filipinos because the people will benefit financially. Now that's what I'm talking about, because during that time we were already colonized, and money was the money that we are using was changed into peso. Okay. All right. So this is the people of these islands adhering to adopt the system of the Spaniards. Okay. Under colonial rule. Okay. So during that time there were already different alliances in Europe, and the Spaniards is just one part of the alliance. Okay. And then I asked the divine, is there any benefit to changing the name? And they said, the people will decide what they want to call themselves. So whether you call yourselves Filipino, Hirayans, Hiraya, Philippines, it's basically irrelevant. You choose as a people what to call yourselves. Okay, so the essence of them telling me the real history is for me to be able to really connect and understand the place that I incarnated in. Okay, and I'm sharing that with you guys so that you can learn and recall your heritage. So again, if you're Filipino Chinese, it's really up to you if you want to call yourself Filipino Chinese. You're basically Chinese. Okay. Whether you have integrated with Spanish lineage bloodlines through marriage, it doesn't change the fact that you are Chinese. So to say Filipino Chinese is kind of double standard already. But anyway, you choose what you call yourself. So for the Visayans, it's hard because in terms of genetic makeup, it's hard to determine anymore. Although you can do DNA test if you want to find out, if you want to go that lengths, well, through that lengths to determine what you are. Okay, all right. But understand that the name of the country, Philippines, and the term Filipino is for the Spanish bloodline. Okay, for the Spanish bloodline. So Rizal wasn't really nationalistic. He was actually an integrator of the colonizer. Okay. That's why he became, no matter what his relatives would say to defend his name or say this and that on what their great-grandfather really intended it to be, he's actually part of